Today we're going to replace the inner and outer air cleaner elements on Kubota Mini Excavator. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's get started. As you can see, this machine works lots in the dusty areas. By the way, I have a video how to do the engine oil change. Check it out. Okay, that's our air cleaner housing. Let's blow the dust what is inside the engine compartment, and always refer to your owner's operator manual for service intervals and all specs. Okay, and let's pull our primary filter element out, and that filter element needs to be inspected regularly and clean every 400 hours. Check the evacuator valve, make sure it's clean, no dirt, and that's very important for operation of the air filter element properly. Let's pull our primary filter out. Don't pull inner if you're not going to replace it. And yeah, let's blow the dust. And both inner and outer filters needs to be replaced every 1,000 hours, and we're at that time when we're putting in new inner and outer filters. And you never clean inner filter, you're not going to replace it, don't pull it, and never run your machine without filter installed. Again, I'm just writing hours when I'm doing the replacement. Compare filters side by side, and yeah, just always check your operator's manual before you do any service. Guys, if it's helpful, thumbs up, and make sure your cap is oriented properly and facing arrow up. That's it for today. We're good to go. Back to business. Stay safe and bye-bye.